The Grid Down Redoubt stands as a pinnacle of cutting-edge technology in the realm of energy storage. Crafted with precision and innovation, it reigns as one of the most advanced, modular and user-friendly systems available today. This remarkable creation centers around the Sanctuary Energy Storage System by Lion Energy, elevating energy storage to unprecedented heights by seamlessly integrating state-of-the-art EMP and lightning protection. What truly sets the Grid Down Redoubt apart is its unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction and longevity. Backed by an industry-leading 25-year warranty, it emerges as not just a reliable investment, but also a cost-effective one, consistently offering savings of over 20% compared to its counterparts. Safety is paramount in its design, boasting industry-leading safety certifications and compliance standards, ensuring peace of mind for all users. Delve deeper into its capabilities, and you'll discover that our Grid Down Redoubt boasts superior storage capacity and inverter capabilities compared to others in its class. It's not just a product, it's a promise of performance and durability. For those embarking on the journey to acquire an energy storage system, we extend a challenge. Explore your options. Engage in thorough research and you'll arrive at the undeniable conclusion that the Grid Down Redoubt stands tall as the epitome of excellence in the energy storage industry. Its exceptional features, rock-solid warranty, uncompromising safety measures, top-tier protection mechanisms and competitive pricing converge to establish it as the ultimate choice for discerning consumers. Invest in the Grid Down Redoubt, and you're investing in a future where energy storage meets unparalleled perfection.